Hey friends, we're Mark and Luba, and 3 years ago, we moved into our 1970s fixer-upper. It's been a lot of work, and we've needed a lot of family and friends to help us along the way, but we've been getting there bit by bit. With at least 209 trips to the hardware store and around $35,000, we have transformed this 900 square foot home into our forever dream home, because I'm telling you, we ain't moving. We love it here. So I hope you're going to follow along, because I'm taking you all the way back to the very first day we moved in, and I'm going to show you how we transformed the 2 back bedrooms into a laundry room and our master bedroom. Quite love this floor. Might be tacky, but I think it's adorable. Although I don't like the walls. And we're going to cut this closet right out because I'm going to put my wardrobes along here. And this is the master bedroom. You know, it might not look so cute now, but we'll change it. I'm quite happy with it. As you can see, Miss Wanda's been very busy. This was the end of the hallway and the last bedroom door and then our main bedroom door. Now she's all opened up. And this is where we changed course. You can tell we took the wardrobes out and we're now making it a laundry room. Here is a little update video. I just got home and we have a washer in here. I didn't expect to see this in here today. We got the hot water heater where the washer and dryer is. So I'll show you the bathroom. Ooh, it's awful. This is where it was before. Here's your Saturday giggle. Notice the bed frame's crooked. It ain't from what you might be thinking. Oh, no. The bed falls through the floor every now and again. The pressed wood floor was giving out. Mark's gonna rip up 4 feet of floor across. That'll be nice to have a little bit of subfloor redone. Just a bit. Well, Mark has replaced the floor, and no, I didn't help him this time around. That day he actually replaced like up to that board there, and then recently he replaced the rest of the bedroom. Mark is now working on this room. Want to take the insulation out for sure. Vapor barrier, input drywall. That's the laundry room, utility room. Right now it's a catch-all. So eventually we are going to put a wall back up. This will just be 2 rooms again. This won't be our bedroom forever. We hope one day we will build out that way.
It adds more than 10 pounds now.
What adds more than 10 pounds?
The camera.
Remember how I loved that floor? Well, I asked the boys to save me a piece so I could frame it for later.
I got you.
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it falls. So let's see you wiggle.
Did you get a video of that?
Got it, you got it, come on. There you go. There you go. Woo, you got it.
Woohoo! That were good, didn't it, Matt? Yeah.
Got it.
Put it on me.
By the snow on the ground, I'm sure you can tell it's pretty darn cold out, and we currently don't have any insulation. So we put these blankets up, and it's over 10 degrees colder just from the room next door with the blankets. Unreal. And during renovations, you know, you still have laundry and chores to do. Up until now, we hadn't been rushing, but I'm about to have my disco birthday party, so we gotta get some walls put up. Are you gonna dance? You look good.
What do you mean cut it nice? I put it right over top the door and then I cut it from behind.
Yeah, but it looks really nice and plumb. Your bum is nice.
Get away from me. Don't look at my ass. It's inappropriate.
It's inappropriate.
Inappropriate for the viewers.
This is Mark's first coat of his mud. Eventually gonna have 2 shelves over the washer dryer and the hot water heater. And then on this side, I think we're gonna do IKEA kitchen cupboards, deep freeze, the mini fridge. And this is a closet. One day the water system hopefully will go in there. I have to find out about a light. I haven't even thought about it, don't even know what color anything's gonna be. There's a slide out glass door, which is some nice. And this is where I'm going to end today's video. We are currently working on getting shelves up and cupboards and a water system. And you will see that all in the next video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.